Very, very shocking that some of you do not understand what the Fulanis have in store for you. Very, very soon it is going to happen. And when it happens, your eyes will clear. And about whom you will see it very clearly. I was warning you. In 2014, 2015, 2016, they said he's a warmonger. He's a warmongering. I went to America and I told World Igbo Congress that this war you are avoiding is going to come to your enemies. They said, no, it's not going to happen. What is happening today? When Yoruba was supporting this the dead idiot called Buhari, did I not warn them that this evil you're supporting will consume you? They never listened. They never wanted to listen.
Whether you like it or not, colonization is real. They are coming for you. They are not coming because of political party. They are not coming because you are PDP. They are not coming because you are APC. They are not coming because you are Labour Party. They are coming to colonize everywhere. Now let me tell you, Yoruba people are in Benin Republic. How many of the Yorubas have bring them? Oh, come to Nigeria and live because you are Yoruba. Igbo people are in what they call it Equatorial Guinea, indigenous Igbo people. How many Igbos have come here to tell them, oh, come and live in Nigeria because we are Igbo? But Fulanis went all the way, calling all the Fulani from every country to come and live in Nigeria because Nigeria is their estate. Fulanization of Nigeria is real. They are not doing it because you are Muslim. They are not doing it because you are Christian. They are doing it because they believe that Nigeria is the estate of their grandfather.
Fulani has been expanding from day one, from Senegambia. All the way from Senegambia, they've been expanding, and now they are in Okigwe. All the way from Senegambia, they are now in Okigwe. And you're asking us to somehow fold our hands and keep quiet because of 2023, because one idiot is going to come out to become a president. Because of that rubbish, because of that nonsensical notion, we should fold our hands and wait until we are overrun by the Janjaweed from the Sahel. Is that how reasonable people think? Is that how people that wish to survive as a race, is that how they reason? Fulani can control you however they like. Once they announce it, Yoruba newspapers very foolishly and stupidly will support them because they want Tinubu as the president. And you are all dying every blessed day. You are all dying every day. Have you people reason up to say that what is happening in Nigeria is bad? There is no way that Fashoranti's daughter will not be alive today. That is the price you pay for duplicity. That is the price you pay for treachery. That is the price you will continue to pay until you rise up and say, enough is enough. It is up to you to do it. You did it during NSAS. You can do it again. Can you imagine Fulani people telling you, if you remove Fulanis from Yoruba forest, imagine Fulani telling you, if you remove them from your ancestral lands, there will be war, and you are panicking.
But only yesterday, all of you in the zoo called Nigeria, you reported the massacre that took place in Kebbi State. My simple question tonight is to Punch newspaper, to Nation newspaper, to Vanguard, all the rest of you that are basically trotting out the Fulani narrative every blessed day. I want to ask you a simple question. Who are the perpetrators of that heinous crime in Kebbi State? Once you answer it truthfully, you will now understand why I am pursuing a sovereign state of Biafra.
That Mazi Nnamdi Kanu asks Simon Ekpa, don't allow Satan to enter you. If you have any other person that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu told such thing, please come forward. I want you to come forward. Do you have any other person? I am the only living Biafra publicly. And Mazi Nnamdi Kanu asks in the public, in the presence of the entire world watching the program, do not allow Satan enter you. Only him and his God knows why he said such to me. So, if you do not at least value me, you value the fact that at least Mazi Nnamdi Kanu somehow have some value. And he sees things you don't see. While some illiterate and some Zamas use such to do program, only God knows why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said such. So, there is something different with the way he addresses all this media rat. I am not hiding my mouth. It is not about bragging. It is not bragging. It is not pride. It is not nothing. But this is a fact. I told Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, if you are ready to do anything for Biafra, publicly, I believe I have been the only one also who have also made a pronouncement in public. I told him, if you are ready to fight for Biafra, if you are ready to do anything, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, to get Biafra, I, Simon Ekpa, will be the first person to follow you, no matter what. And that was also in the public. So, why am I saying this? I'm saying this because I don't condemn people based on what people say to me. I told Mazi Nnamdi Kanu also that if you are looking for 100 men to get Biafra, you have 50 of the men in me. Look for another 49 or look for another 50. I am alone, Simon Ekpa, is 50 men. I said it that time. They didn't know me. Today, I can tell you that in the absent, because I wanted to be 50 men when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is around. And today, I don't need to ask you, have I, with other autopilot and Omada, performed more than 50 men? I don't need to ask you that, because I don't need your validation. What I need you is to follow the truth. Any day I deviate, deal with me. Have I deviated?
Anybody I curse is cursed. Once I condemn you, you're finished. Ask the Sabo, those that tried to take over power when I was in prison, because I valued them, thought they were doing what we all swore to do. As soon as I went into prison, they started to connive to take over power. Where are they today? Because I cursed them, and they will never have peace. I won't touch them, I won't harm them, but they'll never have peace. Today they are worthless. Absolutely worthless. That is who we are. Do you know why? Because our hands are clean. When we say we are whiter than white and whiter than snow, people don't understand what it means. Now they do.
Good evening and welcome to this very program, please. My name again still remains Onyebuchinwash Burobi, known as the Great Seer or the Sea of the Seer. Mondiro Nanki Petemazo, Onyejogu, Yakwere Udo, and I have brought to you nothing but the undiluted truth. Oyago Chantege, come and hear the truth direct from Wash Burobi. Now I have message for very few individuals. First, my message is going to Uchechi. Uchechi, this very message, if you sweep it under the carpet, you will regret for the rest of your life. Forget about the people pushing you. Forget about Nigeria that is using you to do dirty job. just go inside, because this very battle will not favor you. You can't win this very battle. Not even the money that they have given you that will make you to win. I listened to our sister Njideka. Somebody sent me a clip of Njideka saying it on her platform that Uchechi, Charge and Bell lawyer Ejiofor impregnated Uchechi the first time that Onyendu was in the prison. People don't know that Onyendu Alusiana for a very long time. People just don't know. Since Onyendu came out from the prison 2017, Uchechi was pregnant, I think the first time, which she later gave birth to this Nkana photocopy Ejiofor. The reason why she doesn't parade that one is because your people will say, onye mana na-ekwu bụ eziokwu. How can you give birth to a lawyer of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, former lawyer? That is the reason why Uchechi zowa ishi. When you listen to the SDOS speaking, they will always tell you, why did Mazi Nnamdi Kanu not send the money for his son? Oguchana son kon maron propaganda echemme eboa ka omoro for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. According to Yama, Uchechi Anyanwu. Uchechi had an illicit affair with a barrister, and I will tell you, the career of that barrister have finished. How many people calling the barrister to defend him anymore? How many? If you want to die early, call Ejiofor to defend you. If you want to die early, call Ejiofor to defend you. While you are in prison, he is defending the Ngadamunyegi, and that will be all. That will be all. And over na Ngadamunyegi, the more ụtọ also ka egbuo gị. And all of you know that a professional akunakuna knows how to go ngada. Uchechi is a professional akunakuna. The one forming accent. Idiot I packaged Europe yesterday is now forming accents. Hey! Ihe chukwu ya ekpe n'elu ụwa dị egwu. Ihe chukwu ya ekpe, ọ na-wee ekwu okwu ka onye ebe ọ bụ mmiri Igbo apụọ na ya. Ma abụgonu mbebe. I am Mwashibrobi. Thank God that the truth is coming out. But you people remember when I was telling you people this very truth, I was attacked ruthlessly. Those of them speaking the same thing I'm saying today attacked me. Someone reached out to me from the family when I was making expositions. Then I never knew that she gave birth to Ejiofor, Omor Ejiofor. Somebody reached out to me, unknown person, and told me, Eka na-ekwuchu ekwuchu. Ịmakwa na Ejiofor tụbara this woman ime. Why is it that she is parading one child? Na mamakwa na ebo aka ọsọ mụrụ Mazi. Na akpọpụta the second one, ihe a bụ photocopy Ejiofor. Have you seen the second one? The second one abụkwa imbe. Ọ dịkwa normal. Why is she not parading that one? Onyendu was in prison. Ujekonaivo the first time. With the SDOS, you had Onyendu. The SDOS, that is the version 2. She connived with them to take over power from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So when people say that, oh, Chinasa Nworu went to deceive her, or Chike Doziegi went to deceive her, or this, Ejiofor went to deceive her. Was Ejiofor the first place? At the first instance, Ejiofor was not there. It was her and her family that brought Ejiofor. I will tell you people one thing that happened to one of my friend and a brother where we used to do business. The guy get acquainted with a Calabar lady, a very pretty lady, damsel. If you see this girl, imechi anya na ahụ ya. So the girl came and said the man impregnated him. I impregnated her. And the man wholeheartedly accepted the pregnancy. The man have not married. He accepted the pregnancy, keep the girl at his house. Then the family knew that it was not the man who got her pregnant, that it was one of her boyfriend. But due to what she used to collect money from this man, Ghana, the man Ejiofor, and that one no get money, that one no even get house. That one was sleeping ebe a na-ere nni. So she now came and told this one that you got me pregnant. That one accepted her. Then she told that one, oh, since you have accepted me into your house, can I bring my brother? He is very loyal. Any work that you want, he can do for you. Nnam, my brother were without pleasure. Obinu 2-bedroom flat. Akpọbata nke nwoke ya were 1 room. Kopere 1 room with ihe anọ nwanne nke nwanyị. Nke nwoke pụọ na-apịa ihe a, na-apịa akpakọrọma. Itawe. So the man said he would have noticed something, because anytime that they are having good time inside, the boy will always come and knock to distract them. Thank God na ha egbu ya egbu. So finally, the man jide ha red-handed. N'elu ha na-abụ. At the end of the day, the lady kpọrọ the man pụọ court, so na ya ọ chọrọ divorce, because she felt that she have gotten everything that she wants. The man achụpụghị ya o, na ọ chụpụrụ nke nwoke, ya kpọrọzie pụọ court na ya ọ chọrọ divorce. Na-egekwenụ m ntị, maka ihe a yiri ka similar case bụ ihe na-eme. Now, this is reality. Ihe a mere onye mụ na-eshi ofu obodo, mụ na ya nọ n'ofu the same place mgbe ihe a mere n'Ọnịcha. I am Nwashibrobi, please. So when ọkpọ nke nwoke pụọ court, o ruzie na court sị na ya ọ ya kpọrọ nwa. Court reject her because ịhụ dị nwa o yiri nke nwoke o yiri onye nke ọsọ tọbara ya ime, mana dị nwa abịaziri bịa dị ọcha. So mgbe court sị na ọ na-agwa court na ọ bụghị nke nwoke a tọbara ya ime, na onye tọbara ya ime a bụ boyfriend ya, okwu Uchechi, edimanda DNA wee pụta, o wee ghọọ true na ọ bụ nke nwoke tọbara ya ime. Ma lee anya ihe court ruluru. Court si o na today na ha na-erule mgbe according to chief magistrate na ya na-erule na a child to become a father is not by donating your sperm to any lady. To become a father needs responsibility. And the man that harbored you in his house, ibutere dị afọ ime, sị na ọ ya nwa tụbara ya, gbara gị n'ụlọ ọgwụ, take care of you, ịmụọ nwa, o tinye na akwụkwọ, ọ na-aga akwụkwọ, and therefore na ya ọ na-erule today that the man becomes the father of the child and takes custody of the child not the lady. That now a child is a privilege enough to have as many father as he wants, provided no to ujirizia ka choose onye bogene mpia. But as of now, that the man wins the case, have the custody, trains the child. Ona ka esi were rule ikpe. In case if you don't know the reason why I refer this or I bring this very case, Uchechi's family brought Ejiofor. They wouldn't say that they don't know that Uchechi was having an affair with Ejiofor before they brought him. Before they brought him. They wouldn't say. But because Ejiofor was very poor like a church rat, all of you saw the Ulo Ajocha Obimba, part of the Ulo or block cause Azori Ajocha on the Napatacha some barrister. I was an estate manager when IPOB hired me, so I was making a pay n'Ulo Ajocha. Ụlọ ọsị na-aba ọnụnụ. Instead ọ ya sị na o ji idea bụ rụka anyị ka IPOB wee rụrụ ya ụlọ wee kwụmara ya mansion. The same IPOB kwụmara ya mansion ka ọ na blackmail. Not knowing that all this while Ejiofor and Uchechi have known from secondary school time, not even university. You know, I used to say university. Somebody called my attention to it. So from secondary school time, the person said, you know information na carry. The person said that Uchechi did not go to university in Nigeria. And the Nambweham about secondary school days. Uchechi and Ejiofor. So, the family will not say that they don't know that Uchechi was hanging out with Ejiofor prior to bringing Ejiofor into Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case. But Uchechi couldn't marry Ejiofor then because Ejiofor was very poor like a church rat. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was a millionaire. Lives in abroad. Comes home. Ejiofor mgbe aha akabụbeghị lawyer. Ọ ka na practice olesha charge and bail. Even mgbe akpọrọ ya as IPOB lawyer. Shoe ya riri alignment. How many of you people saw Ejiofor that time? At the first. Ejiofor kwụrụ ọtọ ifilie na o nwere bow leg. Ịma na ọ shoe ọgba n'ọkpa dọgabara ya ọkpa. And they brought him to disgrace himself. And he have already disgraced himself. Did you notice, you know, when he was taking care of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's court case, every big case you see in Abuja, you will see Ejiofor. You will see them interviewing him. He will be reading dictionary. Ibambuzu, Konduzu, and Tomotuzu. Now, how many big cases have you seen in Abuja that they showed to you on TV and you see Ejiofor? The only thing that makes him relevant now is that he runs to every court. Oh, I have come to client, IPOB client, even though they sack him as IPOB lawyer. They started telling you, oh, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu doesn't have that right. But the people who was hired by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, 2017 in Konya, have the right. But the supreme leader doesn't have right. Command and control that we practice in IPOB. If they said that they have right, why don't they wait? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu pụta ha wee bulite propaganda. Ha so jai ishi na sanko. But before ha so jai ishi na sanko, Chinasa Nworu ebugo ụzọ pụtagwo ụnọ. Egbuo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, nothing will happen. Ha yes, make a nice 3 months. Everybody go. I told you people that they were knowing what, that they are knowing what your people are doing. They want to test your brains to know how you feel. They are in to buy Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And you must pray for me also. You must. You must.
I am Mwashibrobi, please. I am Mwashibrobi, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. I am Mwashibrobi, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. N'ihu ka enwe na-amachi ya azụ maka mgbapụ ahụ egburu awọ. Okirikiri ka ihe mmadụ nwere ike ugbu ukwu ose anaghị arị ya elu otu ọkpọ ahụ eti ala maka ala adị mboli onye nna ya donyere ohi ọkwa ọkpa ka o ji agbawa ụzọ maka onye maara nna ya mara n'ụzọ ndị ichie mmụọ ala Biafra duonu m chenu m dukwenu the prophet of our time, the greatest prophet ever lived, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu Chenia. Like the Spirit told me when all these things started, he told me that the thing against Onyendu is very deep. The propaganda against Onyendu is very deep. And now it's getting clearer. So I am telling Uchechi Anyanwụ, or Uchechi Ejiofor, please, not Uchechi Anyanwụ, Uchechi Ejiofor. This thing that they brought you out, you cannot do it. You better tell them to package you back inside. We, the Biafra people, will always rebuke you. I am telling you, we will always rebuke and stop every lies and propaganda which they have used you to perpetrate against our supreme leader. Should you continue with this very dark way that you have taken, we will expose you beyond reasonable doubt. Only yesterday, these very people today who have joined me in exposing you, we are attacking me for exposing you, saying that you got pregnant for Ejiofor, even when they know that is the reality. But today, you have lost the privilege, the respect that you have where they are. They are also exposing the same. And that is one problem I have with all these our brothers and sisters. You must say the truth always. Oh, somebody is involved. You cannot say the truth. Means what? Why wouldn't you say the truth when some certain individuals are involved? You don't want to say the truth. But when other people are involved, you will become parrots. Or you become a truth teller. You want to say it the way it is. And that is what have landed us where we are. So my message to Uchechi, go inside. Move inside. Because you will continue to dent your name. People have already known that you're a liar. Because you said, you and your group that is fighting this Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, saying that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu appointed Simon Ekpa, that is to tell you that you lied to Biafrans. Because you told us that when you visited Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said, who is Simon? He's a frontal lobe and back lobe. Today you have flying monkeys. Is this not disgrace to your generation? They are clapping for you with fake accounts. This world is not being lived in fake accounts. I understand what they do to your platform. Immediately you post, they just go and look at the space of their like. Immediately she posts, within 4 to 6 hours, you will see 2,000 people have liked. Just if that is not fake account, just the next day, you will think that the likes will increase. No, it's still in 2,000 because the account that was plugged to her platform is 2,100 or 2,200. So in 6 hours, they will make sure that they like that 2,000. You know, your likes increase. Sometimes when I post, within that, from morning till night, it will only be like 50 likes or 50 something likes. that is on Facebook. But come the next day, the likes have increased to 200, 100, and 300, which is realistic. It is people. You can see they comment in different times. But her own likes come in the same time and never increase. Obia boom, yakosi. So I understand the game. When you go to your comment section and the fake account that even comments, trace the account, you will see that you cannot open the account. Many of them, trace the many of them. Very, very fake. I have tried it and I know that you people have lost the... People are not following you people, but for you to convince people, the fake accounts that you people have prepared for this journey must be wired. Oh, like. Now, have you noticed that it is the same people who like Ikensi Uruago right from time that is liking Uchechi's own? All right from time, oh. So you know what I am saying. Go and do your maths and come back. So the same potter, Eji, I like Uchechi. That same potter, Eji, I like Emeka Gift. That same potter, Eji, I like Ikensi Uruago. That same potter, Eji, I like Udele Speaks. Nothing has changed. And when I look at them, the type of useless game that they play, here. I have been in freedom longer before you people came. And freedom doesn't warrant manipulation. Any day you begin to see people manipulating people, just know that there is fake. Freedom, just know that. And let me tell you, this message that I'm about to send is to everybody that claim that they are in this very freedom fighting. If Mazi Nnamdi is your role model, if Mazi Simon Ekpe is your role model, then you don't have to change methodology because the methodology that we use is working. If you change methodology, if you have left the Biafra land, which you're supposed to protect the territorial integrity, and start telling us no nwere onye ọcha no n'elu bed ya with nwunye ya eshie ebe arituo bịa sị oh Nigeria tulumbu mmaga aka ntị kpọa nye gị freedom. It is a lie. It has never happened. I plead to you people the voice of Donald Trump. Many of you will say, Trump went to what are they calling this country? And then arrested the president. He can do it. They protected their interest. They are not giving freedom to anybody. Their interest, American interest, because American citizens are fast becoming dummy by drugs. So they have to protect themselves. In Iran, they protected their interest, their own interest. The citizens are crying, leadership change. They told the citizens, but you have no gun. You have no gun. That was the thing that Trump was saying in the morning. The other side have gun, and the other side doesn't have. So how can they do it? I understand that they are crying for leadership change, but they don't have any gun. But the other side had machine gun. So Trump is basically telling you that he cannot help you because you are not ready to fight for your freedom. You know, when Nigeria is a very cunning people. They pay too many lobbyists. Those of their lobbyists will even be part of the people that some of you go and meet. Oh, advise me on freedom. They will tell you, Washington, D.C., Washington, D.C. You can go to Washington, D.C. from now till thy kingdom come. Nobody is going to give you freedom. If you do not understand that thing that Trump was saying, that the other side have gone and the other side doesn't have gone. But people are saying that we should help. How? That this side that have gone have killed over 50-something thousand. So he was telling the people of Iran that you failed to protect yourself. You failed to fight. We can only come in and say, no, let us help you because we see the strength in you. I am Mwashibrobi. Is that what you want in Biafra issue? That the other side have gone? Fulani will take over your forest. True to God who made me and you, they will take over that land that you have boasted. Akodena nwa, nwata kwacha, akosunu ogaranya rie nni, ike dị na awaja, ozopuru ili ego, omepuru. That is different names on Naza. It is because you have a land to stand. When that land is no more, where will you stand to boast? This is my question to those of you. What will you do? You must stand up now. You must stand up. Again, this is one of the last this thing. Mazi Simon Ekpa court comes up. August. August is next month. 5th of August. So it's not up to 1 month now. 5th of August. And there is protest on 4th. Those of you who have run propaganda against Simon. Ejiro, you went to Finland, right? You went to Finland to protest against Simon. You must go to Finland to protest for the freedom of Simon. Kanu Takanu, those of you must issue memo for the freedom of Mazi Simon Ekpa. Now, why I said this, if you go to what Ejiofor and the SDOS, that is the version 3, is writing, they said nobody must have gone. Individuals must not have gone. So the problem that they have was not because Simon committed anything, but because Nigeria have paid them to turn against those who are protecting their kings. I heard that the village, there is a village Fulani killed people in Abia State, and the village revolted and protected themselves. They brought out their youth to protect themselves. They came and arrested those youths. They are still in prison. They came. I think in Abia State, if I'm not mistaken, please correct me. Correct me, please. They are in prison for protecting themselves. This thing happened in Benue. We were like, oh, it is in Benue. Now, it has come in a Promax in our land. Fulani kill. When you shoot Fulani, they will declare you wanted. So vigilante in Enugu, they declare her wanted for shooting at Fulani who kidnapped 2 people. They shot them and they declared them wanted. So what will you use to protect yourself when the Nigerian government is at their back? You know, people are saying, oh, it's difficult for an Igbo man to accept Islam. Or they easy. Okwa nda eji ego. Nda bidogoro preach verege Islam. Support of Iran. Nda ya makpuru na keto inye ha ndị nyere ego na Ebonyi State are not carrying keto. Ndị nyere na Enugu are not carrying keto. What of ndị Imo? That is the reason why ha ji wee budatara unu. Oh, their brother, they are Muslim. A community pụta declare onwe ha Muslim community na Enugu State for the very first time in your own life. Is that not a shame? Is that not a shame? I am Mwashibrobi. if we do not do anything, forget about the land. Those of you who are investing in Igbo, buying land, if these men fell, if John Tobutozo and the rest fell, forget about going down to Biafra land. Buy land elsewhere, neighboring country. Or you have Ososu. Inwebe ya bala. If your investment is in a label, man, oh, kaila no ulo. I raise in the Sabo, you are in Sabo platform, hailing them, the savior of our own people. Oh, Sabo Bovuzi, the savior of your own people. Because they confuse them, brainwash, yeah, no problem. It only takes time. It's just a matter of time. Fulani will be here. It is a must. Fulani never decrease. Once they enter area, it is increasing. And you see them. Don't you see them doing Okada in our land? In Abaronye Fulani man Okada. So what happens to Egwu Ekpili? If you understand, you understand. Ina-akọ ịgba. Not ina-akọ ha ịgba. Ị na-apịa ịgba. Ma ndị na-egbu ọja na-egbu. Na ọja bụ ọja mmụọ. For them to decrease by the God of Abagana and by the rejection of Ifeajona. You have heard what I said. That thing no genobi or ihe kwuru. That thing in your mind or ihe kwuru. I am Washibrobi. And if you don't do that thing in your mind, they will take over our land. That spirit batarana na agwa gị na-enye gị the idea oli yeshi emi ya. All that thing ka m na-ekwu. Listen to that spirit ọ naghị aghọrị gị. Dinta gara n'ọhịa na-agba anụ ebe ezighi na ịgba anụ. Ọ na-ekwekwa ọnya. Maka ụfọdụ ka ọnya na-ama n'ime ọhịa. Ụfọdụ anụ ka ọnya na-ama n'ime ọhịa. Ụfọdụ ka a na-agba ma ọ gbaba ọsọ. Ọkwa anụ ka m na-akpọ aha, I'm not saying human being. And they look at not place. So we must have the spirit of ịgba anụ ọhịa. Anụ ọhịa ka m na-ekwu, bush meat, not human being. For those who will wrongly interpret what I am saying. I am talking about bush meat. Mana ihe adịghị n'obi, ihe a ka m kwuru. I am Nwashibrobi. Preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. We are fast losing our land. And we must protect it. Unu anọgonu ndị otu Uchechi na-etizi violence. How many of you were here when Onyendu was here? Maka ndị enwere na-abụ ụmụ ọgbara ọhụrụ. Their mentality is not sharp to reason for a very long time. The same thing Nigerian government was shouting. Oh, you are too violent, ungovernable. That thing ka Uchechi na ndị otu ya na-etizi now. So, a na-ekwu okwu ndị riri ego, ịmara ndị riri ya. But we will conquer. We will triumph. This very freedom is forward ever, backward never. And from me from here, from the temple of the grace here, the way to achieve this is to give those pastors non a mission. Na-aka ụka, magoro parish ha. Emere odend n'ịka ụka ndị ụkọchukwu site n'ụsọ Melchizedek. We will give those reverend fathers and the Sumerians among them what they need ka e wee na-aka ụka. ka e wee na-aka ụka because nobody no oyibo ya shi n'elu daa bịabịa nyere gị aka. Trump, that analysis Trump nyere in Iran supposed to teach you something. Everything is in your ball. It all depends on you. Have you collected money to sell your conscience? It all depends on you. But I come your way next time. Have a blessed day. If you wish to, please.